Have you ever made a right quick baked chicken? This is the same chicken you thawed out this morning. Who's that cute girl? Who's that girl? You're gonna add a fourth of a cup of apple cider vinegar, and then you're gonna add a fourth of a cup of lemon juice. Fresh lemon juice, perfectly, so you can get them oils in there. It's essential, you feel me? You're going to use this as a meat tenderizer. You have a 4 to 5 pack of thighs. You're going to massage that acid in. Then you're going to add that oil. Then you're going to add some no salt seasoning. That's from the Dollar Tree. That's from the Dollar Tree, the Italian seasoning as well. Then you're going to add yourself some cumin. That's ground for you wondering. Then you're going to add yourself some Old Bay. And then you're going to add yourself a ginger that I powdered myself. And then some cocoa hot sauce. Everything is a tablespoon worth, okay? Trust me, it's going to be seasoned to perfection. Then you're gonna add yourself some baking powder, which is gonna help the crispening of your baked chicken. Yes, little hack for that, okay? Yes, I like it. Picasso. Girl. Now massage it in, all right? Then you're going to bake at 425 degrees for 35 to 45 minutes. Trust me, it's gonna be as crispy as you need it to be. Brown skin chicken. You know what it is. Yummy for your kids. Stack it like this. Brown skin chicken. I'll just play with y'all. Now, remember that chef's kiss from earlier? You gonna bite into it and do that little chicken dance. You know, I'm not chickening if I'm not making chicken, okay? I don't know what I did right there, but cook good and look good.